Yesterday, I made over $700 just by listening to music. In this video, I will explain my exact method of earning the same amount with completely zero investment, and a laptop or a smartphone, with an internet connection. First of all, go to Google and search Pixabay. Click on the first website. Then click on Music. Here you can see that you get completely royalty-free music here. Also, you can download these songs and use them anywhere. Here are different song categories like relaxing, birthday, beats, instrumental, etc. You can listen to any type of song from here. Now, click on this down arrow and select trending. You will get countless trending songs. Listen to these songs, and download them whichever you like. I will play this song and listen to some part of it. I like this song. Just click on download, and wait for some time to download it. Search up Forever on Google, and click on the second website. In this site you can make money by uploading files. If someone downloads your files you will get some money from the platform. Here you can see their pricing. So, if your downloads come from Tier 1 countries, you will get $7, if they are from Tier 2, you will get $4, and if they are from Tier 4 countries, you will get $3. You can get paid in different payment methods like PayPal, Binance, Payeer, WebMoney, etc. Also, the minimum payout of most of them is only $1. Scroll above and you can see that here you can earn money by 5 ways. From them the best one is sell files. Here you can see that you can start selling your files through your account, and fix your price for each file, and earn up to 80% for each file you sell. Just click on sign up, and quickly fill your username, password and email address. Then click on sign up. I have already made an account here, so I will log in my account. Here you can see that I have earned $700 by uploading songs here. To upload songs, click on Upload Files on the left side here. Now, click on Choose File, and upload the song that you have downloaded from Pixabay. Write the description of the song here, and make sure that it is set to the public. Click on Start Upload, wait for some time and it is done. Upload as many songs as you like from Pixabay to make regular money. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.